This video will show you how to buy on Shein application. If you want to buy for a product on Shein app, then here's how you can do it. First, make sure you download the Shein mobile application on your mobile phone and launch it open. Also, sign up to an account if you don't have one or log into your existing Shein account. Once you're in this main homepage, go ahead and search for the products you'd like to shop by surfing through the categories at the top. Find the product you'd like to purchase and you can browse through the product's picture, select its colors, size, and enter your delivery details or simply select your delivery address and then finally tap on Add to Cart at the bottom. This will now add the product in your shopping cart. To check out with the product, simply tap on your cart at the top right and then tap Checkout at the bottom right. Now in the order confirmation page, select your payment method and enter your payment details. If you're shopping with Shein for the first time, you need to type in your address information, select your shipping methods, and then when it comes to payment, go ahead and select one of the payment methods from the display. You can go ahead and pay with PayPal, credit or debit card, select any one payment services available to you and enter the details. Here, in my case, I'm gonna go with the credit or debit card option. Simply give it a tap and tap on Place Order at the bottom right. You'll also need to fill in your payment information for the selected payment method. Go ahead and enter your card number, select your card's expiration date from the drop-down on the next field, and enter the CVV code available on your credit or debit card. If you want this card to be remembered for further use, enable the toggle menu at the bottom. After you are done entering the payment details, tap on the Place Order button at the bottom and that way you'll be able to buy on the Shein application. That is how you can easily buy or purchase on Shein app. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more of these quick tutorials again. Thanks for watching.